Hello, my people. Wetin dey happen? Na your one and only sister AB Media wey dey bring better story dey come. So my people, I don waka come with another ogbonge story. So wetin dey happen be say the things wey dey happen is too much o. You know, see one of our sister dey talk wetin Mbaka with Mbaka dey pass, wetin dem pass through, and everything wey Mbaka tell am make him do somebody bad o. Na the woman say no, no be small thing. All these people wey dey carry church for head, wey be say no go carry church for head, but make we dey careful for where we dey go. You know, say some people go say na lie, the woman is lying. Why, when somebody say truth about man of God, what is happening, you people will be condemning that person, and the person is telling you the truth, what is happening. As everything dey go, the woman dey tell una say, see wetin Mbaka tell am, see wetin Mbaka do for am, see wetin Mbaka do am. The woman dey tell una, but una no dey believe am. Una come dey shout, some dey write many things, and dey say na lie, the woman dey lie, the woman na liar. Abeg my people, look for wetin the person dey talk. All these people wey it is say man of God, they are human being like you now. Nobody wey pass to do mistake, or nobody no pass to do sin. Let me tell you, no be say you go say, if dem tell you say this pastor do this thing, you go dey vex say na lie, the pastor no fit do am this. My dear, look very well before you judge, before you even talk. Our people too get problem. All these people that are pastors, they are like a human being like you. Nobody is perfect in this world. They are both, they want for their vein. But the problem wey they get be say our people no want to hear this truth. Now the problem wey they get, people don't like truth. When you say truth, they will don't like. I beg my people, now make me wetin the woman talk about Mbaka. Say everything wey Mbaka do, everything wey with Mbaka, as Mbaka take tell am say hey, make him finish one person o, bishop abi na wetin o, make him finish am. We know say Mbaka na only one son wey mama born o, but if you be say papa get another woman, you understand, wey born for am, because he say Mbaka say make him finish somebody. Him come tell am say he no go fit finish, say him dey surprise, and then Mbaka could now with him own daughter. You understand? So my people, no be say person go talk, una go dey use am dey lie, the man of God no fit say like that, Mbaka no fit say like that. This picture of this woman wey dey see, so I go put am, una dey see am. This video, this picture, una go dey see am. The person no lie, the person is saying his mind, he's saying what is happening. The woman say everything, how Mbaka take do everything, how Mbaka take tell am many things. The woman talk am kolo. I beg, if you never watch the video, go and try and watch the video. I no wan put the video here. You understand? But I won't make una go watch the video, more na see wetin dey happen. Yeah, more na see wetin dey happen. No be say una go dey judge, una go say na lie. This one, make the woman, how the woman take talent everything wey dey happen, wey Mbaka tell am. I go fit put am small, more na see with una eye wetin the woman talk. You understand? I beg, more dey careful. How Mbaka take tell am say make he do person, because the woman dey do all this spiritual work. You understand me? Come dey put am with one woman wey they call princess. Go to the woman, he call the woman self, I've been a princess, I've been a wait. My people, more dey careful. No be say person talk about man of God, say this man of God do like that. I go say na lie, the man of God cannot do like that. How do you know? If you be say the man of God, now you go even do the devil where you never see it before. If they tell you say the man of God they do something, like you will say is a lie. So more dey careful. When man of God do something, the person say his mind to wetin the man do am. The man not talk bad. You understand me? You not talk bad. You talk wetin happen for strictly. When the woman say no, you no go fit do that kind of thing. Now Mbaka come the verse for that. So my people, I beg, more na dey careful. No be say you go dey carry church for your pastor for head. Your pastor is like a human being like you. No matter is a man of God, you give him that respect. But there's some certain issue where you no fit swear say your man of God no fit do. I beg. If you dey talk say your man of God no fit do anything, na lie, my sister. That your man of God wey it say you no fit do, na him go even do bad pass. You go shock. I beg my people. And then another story where they bring, my people. Davido, you know, says Davido, they find him baby mama. Hey, Sophia. Now, wow, my people, not supposed to go see you. They find am. As far no, they income carry paper, they find am. My people, now so now love. I beg, I don't know this kind of love. All this our people self, I don't know what they do. If they go love this one tomorrow, they go love this one today. Which one you want love? Love one if you want love one. Nobody say if you love here, love here, love here, love here. Tomorrow night you go pretend again, you go come back for another one, you go come dey show. My dear, nothing happen sha, more na dey enjoy una sef, but more dey take am suffer dey enjoy. And I wish im daughter happy birthday, long life to them. So my people wey I dey talk nothing person no go see, more dey very very extra careful for the things wey dey do for this world o. Wey una dey feel say this world na this world is too sweet well o. Na we dey carry our wahala, na we dey carry problem dey put for this world. This world dey sweet, no be small. But I wan make una watch a little bit of that video and Davido wey im dey find im wife and the woman wey I complain wey talk about Father Mbaka. Make una watch the little video till end, so make una see wetin dey happen, my people. Make no be say na me talk am o, make una see with una eye. You understand me? Make una watch until down. Okay? Make una watch everything happen.
N'olu m ihe were wa ha n'ezie ndị Igbo biko ndeewo onye ọnọ n'ebe ọ nọ na mba ụwa niile ka o gere ihe a m na-ekwu. Good morning everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ọmụ awụ mụlọ ọma kwuru okwu n'efere mba ụwa si na mụ awụ nne ya mụrụ ya hapụ ya eme m otu ahụ kama na nna ya si na ya agaghị alụ m na mawụdụ kategori ọ ga-alụ ma tụwa m ime under 14 years ma mụrụ ya ofu nwoke ofu nwaanyị ya ejiri ahụ nọ na m nwa m kpọgara nwanne ya n'Enugu. Ọ ebe ahụ ka ụlọma shigakwuru this evil man si awụ Mbaka. Yes, Mbaka kpọrọ m ihe a bido last year ma a na princess nwega problem ma nwa ya princess ọkwa Mbaka na nwa m anọkwa kpọọ m. Mbaka sịkwa m na princess chọrọ igbu nwa m ekwukwe the same thing. Nwa m emechasị ọ ga-esend the voice send ya nsị ngwa nye m nọmba dị woman enye m mụ na this woman ebido na-ese okwu na-enwe problem na the woman na-achị m eme explain anọ m, but at last Mbaka ma m invite n'ụlọ ya nke wee eziokwu. Ọkwa onye Chukwu tere mmanụ ka ọ sị ya wụ na onwe ya o, mana Chineke mana na o mebigo ọgba ndụ ya na ya. Onye nwa kpọrọ m o bido ụzọ gwa m ka m nọ n'ọnụ protection na nwa m gwara ya na m na-eme ihe ọdịnala. Yes, na m nọ n'ọnụ protection na the woman wụrụ busu na-achụgharịzi ya princess na ya na bishop na-edozie because edozie gagalụ nwaanyị Imo steeti ha si ya lụ na ye princess akasa anyị asị na bishop agba ya akwụkwọ. Mmechakwa ebe m na-azọkwa ndụ nwa m emechakwa dawo Mbaka emezie m invite mgbe ya sị m na m ga-egburu ya bishop na princess na-edozie. Dede m bịa na father's house ndị mmadụ nọ dị ọ chụpụrụ ha. Nwa m nwoke eme na-eso ogo kwe ka ọ soro anyị gbagote n'elu ọ naanị m n'ụlọ ọma. Mgbe ọ gwacha m okwu ajụ m ya ile ihe mere ji chọọ ka egbuo nwanne gị na ndị a ya sị na mpe ya gwara ha alụ na nwaanyị n'Imo steeti nwere nwoke aga lụọ princess akpụrụ ga lụọ nwaanyị bishop agba ha akwụkwọ bishop ya mere ntame n'Imo na ihe ọ na m ga-eme na mmanụ ekele ọrụ eke na ihe ọ na ya m ga-eme dat na ndị anwụọ na memedi na m ga-emekwa ihe ga-eme ka hapụ ịmata na ọwụ ya. Ọ ya sị na a ga-ese ndị ego na akaụntụ nwa m tiri m 1 million betiti m gwụrụ m ike maka atụwa ha m anya na onye dị ka Mbaka nwere ike ikwu ụdị okwu a n'agbanyeghị ihe ya na nwa m na-agabigakwa kamgbe mmakwuo maka amatago m ya sị ịfụ ma pụta ma m na efu ya rụ n'otu a eche m na naanị ka imebi nwaanyị ịkpọ nwaanyị bikọs o mebigo mabeji nwa m ahụ. Ọ gwacha m okwu a okwu eme otiti mgbe m na nwa m na-arụ mbido bawara nwa m si mụ aga-abịa igbu mmadụ gị na bishọp gị na fada ga-akpọwa m ụlọ m enụ onye asị m.
So my people, una don watch. Una don see as everything dey read there. As the woman take explain everything, as the woman take talk. Abeg, no be say na person talk am, no be say na person dey forge. The woman go use the man talk everything. I know say some fake people are there, but this one no be say. You know, why I take no say Father Mbaka don dey fuck up when they go for all these politicians starting talking for matter wey no concern am. If you remain go focus for wetin you dey do. Wetin you need to dey do for us, for the country, is as to pray. The first of all, the first say Buhari na God call am say na Buhari go be president. Abi na Buhari president na number one. That one good. Number one wey Mbaka for cup. That one is number one. Many things when don't talk, when they talk, if you no gree for him wetin him talk, him go blaster you. See, let me tell you, we are not a baby, unless na people wey dey feel say na their papa. Una fit come for my down, come dey talk o. Are they ready? As you see me, na so my eye dey sharp. Father Mbaka na person wey I respect wella, but him for my hand since all these years. I just dey see all the things wey they do, the thing they pay me. We be say Mbaka, when Mbaka was Mbaka. When Mbaka was Mbaka don't tolerate anything bad. But this time around, Mbaka will talk A go be Kyo go be Z. You don't need to believe him. And I think they entered for this our Biafra. I beg, our Baba Nnamdi Kanu, I beg, no allow, no give and trust. So for one, even for 2 seconds, Mbaka can change you. Making the talk say him wan join, him gon be IBOB, this. I bet Mona no carry and put there. Make una no even do anything. Follow am o, Mona leave am o. Because tomorrow we go carry everything secret one at the talk o, go still tell the other person. If they don't, they go give am money. Mbaka go talk with the one wey they talk with, the one wey they no talk o. I bet Mona shine na eye o. My people, my Biafran people, one love. Mona shine na eye. For the Davido. Davido, make it enjoy yourself, my brother. Now once, this word now once, so na the one wey person do now you go carry go. Now enjoy yourself, just dey careful. I wish your baby happy birthday. I bet my people wey dey watch me, I go come very soon again. I bet more dey enjoy myself. No time. As you see me so, no time. This one now once. Bye bye. Have a blessed day. Bye.